How are y'all doing today? Hope everything is good in your world. Today, my day is great. Besides my nose is itching. My neighbors, the Hales, they're the ones that garden in the spot where I used to garden. She went to their garden the other day, pulled some stuff out, and then they decided to make a quick trip, a little short vacation, and messaged me and said, hey, can I bring over some vegetables? They were afraid they wouldn't last till they got back. So I said, shoot, yeah. So here's what I got here. Here's my goodies. Got a homegrown zucchini, some little potatoes. I don't know what variety. I didn't ask her what variety any of this stuff was. One of their first bell peppers, their first little tomato, some okra, perfect size okra, and some cucumbers. And I'm thinking maybe this is a pickling cucumber. I just don't know. And I don't know what varieties these are. I don't know what variety any of this stuff is. It don't really matter. Let's get this bucket out of the way here. So now my task is what to do with this beautiful, wonderful bounty. I think they all work the garden. Nathan, her husband, Jenna, the two boys, Hudson and Porter. And so this is a wonderful treat to get. So the taters, they're small. I'm gonna wash them off. You can see they still got the dirt on them. I'm gonna wash them off, and those will probably be fried up a little bit. And I'll probably fry them with a little bit of this bell pepper. And some of the bell pepper will go with the cucumbers that I'm gonna slice up and make in a quick pickle. So I'll have the cucumbers, the tomato, a little bit of the bell pepper, and then the potatoes get fried along with the okra, of course, and some zucchini mixed in with it, fried up. So unless I change my mind somewhere along the way, you never know. But I'll bring you back when I get this video started. I'm just going to show y'all the wonderful gift from my neighbors, the Hale. And we'll see y'all when I get this started. All right, let's get these vegetables started. I think I'm in a shadow here. That's okay. I'm going to work with these cucumbers first. Like I say, I don't know what variety they are. Let's try it. Oh, it smells really good, really fresh. So like I say, I'm going to do a quick pickle on these. Taste one of these and see what it tastes like. That's really good. Okay. Let's try this different shape one. Piece of dirt there. It smells good. I don't know what variety it is, but to offset the acid in the vinegar. It makes these things really good. I'll show you in a minute when I make it. It's almost like a sweet vinaigrette. I don't know what to call it. We use this same dressing on sugar and white vinegar. All right, let's see here. Got them all in my bowl here. You have to forgive me, it's early. And I've not had my coffee yet. Still waiting on it to get ready. So I've washed all these vegetables, and let's see this little beautiful little, I don't know what variety it is, but it sure is a pretty little thing. And my initial thought is just to take and cut it in half, throw some salt and pepper on it. but it'll give a little bit of flavor to the quick pickles. So I'm not going to slice it up too thin because they're little bitty pieces, but I want it to go through my salad, be part of it. I'll bring you back for the vinaigrette. Let me say it one more time. I'll bring you back for the vinaigrette, and I'm going to grab a cup of coffee. All right, back with you. I forgot one other vegetable I was going to put in there. This bell pepper. I can't remember if she said this was supposed to be a red or green. I can't remember. It smells good though. Anyway, this will be perfect for this little quick pickle. And I grabbed me a cup of coffee while I was up. It's going to make a really good amount. You wouldn't think just those few vegetables would do you anything, but shoot, look at this. And I'm just referring back to what my mother taught me and my dad taught me. They were both excellent cooks, both different cooks though. Dad did most of the barbecue, and he would fry the chicken. He fried the quail, rabbits, stuff like that. And Mother could, but it just seemed like that was his deal. So I've got about a third of a cup of sugar. Get this Mr. Vinegar bottle open here. Jug, I said vinegar jug. So I'm just going to splash me in some, probably about double that amount. So maybe close to a cup. And stir this in. Add a little pepper to it. I don't want to wait on shake the pepper out. We're going to put some pepper in it. We're going to put pepper in it. There you go. And just stir this around until the sugar dissolves in here. Now, a lot of people say that you need to cook this to get the sugar dissolved, but I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty well dissolving. I'm going to taste of it. It tastes really good. Like really, really good. So let me get some water here. I'll probably put about a third of it, about a third more water in here. So I guess the recipe would be 1/3 water, a cup of water, 1/3 a cup of sugar, and maybe a half or 2/3 of a cup of vinegar. Alright, let's put the kids in the pool now. And I don't add any salt to it, because that vinegar, I don't think vinegar has salt in it, but it's salty tasting enough anyway. So let's just dump the kids in the pool. Y'all have a good ride, have a good swim. There you go. And this is how I make quick pickles, vinaigrette style. Now, are they pickles that you set on the shelf for months? No. These will be eaten by the end of the week. So they're just quick pickles. That's what my mom called them. I don't know what else to call them, but. And I'll come back in. I'll cover this, and I'll come back in later today and stir it around one more time. Get you a better view here. This would be perfect with dinner. I'm going to fry some pork chops up, fried okra, small cubes of potato fried up with okra. Country boy will be eating good.